guys, Aaron here again. You might notice this is a new background. No, I did not change my garage and get awesome new cabinets and cool lighting and stuff. I'm at my buddy Will's house. He actually runs another YouTube channel called Bavarian Enthusiast TV, soon to be Renthusiast. By the time you're watching this, that's what it might be called. So give him a subscription and check out his channel, especially if you're into this kind of car.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the garage. A little bit of a different taste from Aaron. He's the Boxster guy. He's the M4 guy. I am the air-cooled Porsche 911 guy. So today we're going to be doing a slight mod on this 95 993. Just while we're standing here, I guess I'd point out my 86 3.2 Carrera up top there in Guards Red. Love both of these cars. That's what my channel's all about. So if you're into air-cooled Porsches, even mildly interested, please come on over and subscribe. So today what we're going to be doing is getting rid of this WIPER motor. So some guys who are into these 993s like swear by them, right? So they think that, oh, this is integral to the car and how it was manufactured and you shouldn't mess with it. And my belief system is you need to make the car what you want to make it. So today we're going to be removing this blade. We will deal with the motor that's below this windshield, and we'll be putting in a spacer right here, or a filler that will fill in the gap where this motor comes through. So let us dig into the project.
All right, this here is the piece that we are replacing it with. I will try to find a place you can buy this online and put it in the description below. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is pop off the little cap on the back here. Just pull it off. And then we got a little 13mm nut to remove.
I read about this mod like a long time ago. I haven't studied it recently, so we're gonna kind of feel our way through it based on my memory.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah, it doesn't seem to be rocket science. There we go.
All right, just work that piece off.
Okay.
And we got another cap.
The next clue.
All right, we're guessing it was 24 was too big, so we're guessing it's like a 22mm, but not on tight. So if you don't have the right one,
Yeah, you can use pliers with no risk.
easy to remove.
The problem is you got, there we go, look at that. Oh man.
Just a few years of
Yeah, so this is a 95, 25 years.
So with this undone, we're supposed to be able to just remove it.
And we were.
Look at that.
So what you got, this is very straightforward. These cars are actually amazingly simple to work on.
It's 2 Phillips.
Yep, 4. Yep. I want to be careful. Where are the speakers? What's going on there? Yep. All right.
All right, with that shelving out of the way, it's pretty easy to see everything through the glass. So you just have to disconnect the motor assembly here. That guy disconnected. All right, next there are 2 8mm bolts to remove at the base of the bracket. Here's one. And the other side. Get rid of the glare. You can see the other one right there. You got a nice bug right there.
I was gonna say, the benefit of this job is to remove maybe a 20-year-old yellow jacket.
Now,
I just lose something.
I don't think so.
Oh man, look at that.
Just slides right out.
Look at that. Look at that bee in there. See?
That's some good weight reduction right there.
It is heavy. All for a motor.
Now pull that rubber grommet off. Get the big old bee.
I mean, man, that's weight reduction too.
All right, now in order to keep that speaker wire from rattling around when you're driving, gonna go ahead and tape it down to the deck, kind of like they did over in that area already.
Pretty straightforward. Put that through the glass, catch it on the other side, tighten that down, and it should make it watertight. Yes. Now, you know, for me, would it be better to have a full, like, clean pane of glass and this not here? Yes, but I think that you could special order them without the rear wiper blades, but, you know, beggars can't be choosers 26 years later.
So hold this in the center. All right, so if you look at the back of this thing, there is a slot in it for a screwdriver. So you need to put a screwdriver in there to hold this while you're tightening it, or else this whole piece will just spin around. All right, we're gonna try this again. Insert this, put the little washer and the, call it a washer, full-sized washer, and then the other grommet on the bottom again.
I'm gonna tell you what, it's hot as shit, baby.
So this is technically, I think, a 964 part that they're usually interchangeable, 993 and 964 parts sometimes.
So we're having a problem getting that thing on, so we're gonna go back with the original grommet. And I'm thinking that that's gonna help hold this better. And seems like it would be a lot better weatherproofing.
So the idea here, I'm gonna get another rubber piece, but that's money. That's gonna be good.
All right, so we're gonna put that metal bracket on the back. And as long as this will thread, oh, I feel it tightening. Yas.
It does raise the lip up a little bit, but I can live with that.
Yeah, I think you're good.
Heck yeah.
All right.
Great pickup, dude.
There it is. That's what it'll look like. Now we just have to put the shelving back.
Yeah, I just think it looks so much cleaner, you know what I mean? I was not a fan.
All right, so this piece that came with the blade, make sure you replace that on there so you don't have a big gap in the upholstery. All right, here's the final product. No more wiper. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, as well as Will's channel.
Yes, Bavarian Enthusiast TV, soon to be known as Renthusiast. Come see me, check it out. Got like 40 videos on cars just like this.
All right, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.